Here it is, here it is. 360 spin onto the palace, backflip gainer.
Hardcore parkour!
Hardcore parkour! I'm right behind you, Andy! Come on!
Parkour.
What the hell is that? What the hell is that? What's that dang thing doing here? How did that get here? What the hell is that?
Robert better not get in my face. Because I'll drop that motherfucker.
This is amazing. Man's oldest fantasy. Across a sea of stars, look up in the sky. It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's a duck.
Because of my complexion, he used to call me Darkness. He calls me and my brother Darkness. He calls us Darkness Brothers. See, this is long before Wesley Snipes. Back then, we was the blackest niggas on the planet, according to Rick James.
You will never get this. You will never get this. La 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 la.
Don't go in there! Lord, I'm having a heart attack. Damn, this is some scary shit.